Jamaican man tries KFC after 30 years. You won't believe his reaction.
Never.
As a kid?
56 years. His first time trying barbecue. That's his reaction.
It's come out like maybe first time eating barbecue and it came out like maybe 10 years ago. Maybe more. Yeah. How long you think Kentucky's down here? How long?
Yo, they're waiting, yo.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'll give it a taste.
It's not bad. It's like a dinosaur's make it.
Okay. Something to talk about.
For real?
Yeah, it is different. It is.
What do you rate out of 10?
Out of 10?
Yeah.
You couldn't get the like that.
I give them an 8. It's alright. It's good. It's alright. It's good.
What's better than it?
What's better than this?
Yeah.
Oxtail anytime.
Oh, chicken.
Oh, chicken? Yeah, jerk chicken definitely better than the barbecue chicken. Yeah. So, but, yeah, away from the regular, it's okay.
Is it better than back home?
In Canada?
Yeah.
Yeah. 'Cause we don't got barbecue chicken.
Of course, we do with some kind of barbecue, they call it barbie fried.